And welcome to Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you a delicious cornbread recipe. So what you'll need is, I have a cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I have a cup and a quarter of cornmeal. I have 1/4 of a tablespoon of salt. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have 1 egg. I have a half a cup of sugar. I have 1 cup of milk. I have 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. And also I have a cup of corn. You could use frozen corn and just heat it up, or you could use corn in the can. Also, that will work as well. So let's start cooking. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to add our wet ingredients together first. So that is our milk and our egg. And our butter. And we're going to basically whisk it or just mix it in. Like so, that's good enough. Now we're going to add half our flour. We're going to add our salt, our baking powder, our sugar, half our cornmeal, gonna mix this in first. Next, we're going to add the rest of our flour and our cornmeal. We're going to mix it up. Now we're going to add the corn. It's optional if you would like to add the corn. If not, you don't have to add it. It's easy as that. Now what we want to do is I have an 8x9 glass cooking dish. We're going to spray it. Make sure you spray it well, or you could add butter to it as well. We're going to add the mixture to it. Now you want to spread it nice and evenly. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to cook it in our oven. Our oven is at 400 degrees. We're going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and done. Okay, we just took our cornbread out of the oven. What I like to do is to brush on some honey butter. So I melted some butter and I added some honey to it. So it's basically 2 tablespoons of butter that I melted, and then I added a tablespoon of honey. So I like to basically put it on top, brush it on top. Now we're going to let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before we cut into it. And so here we have our cornbread. So I took it out of the pan and I cut it up. Now it's time to eat. So this is really good. And if you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. Thank you.